Today, we shall learn about operations on sets. You already have learned about union of two sets and intersection of two sets. Today, under this main heading, operations on sets, we shall learn difference of two sets and complement of two sets. Now, first, we see the difference of two sets. It is defined as it is a set that consists of all the elements of set A which are not in B. So I explain with the help of an example. We have two sets A and B. A contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, whereas B contains 3, 5, 7 and 8. Now we will subtract B from A. That's A minus B. Now we can also write A minus B, or we can write A slash B. It also means A minus B. We can write in two ways, A minus B or A slash B. It is backward slash. Now the method is that first write A set, then this minus sign, now we will subtract. The method of subtraction is that first observe the similar elements. For example, this 3 is present in both the sets, 5 is also in both the sets, 7 and 8 are also in both the sets. So we will cancel all these elements. We will cancel similar elements, and the remaining elements in A are the elements of A minus B. So these are the elements which are not in B, or which are not the member of B set. So again, we can subtract A from B. Now first write B set, sign of subtraction, then A set, then again cancel similar elements, 3, 5, 7, 8, 3, 5, 7, 8. Now we will write all the elements which are in B, not in A. So the answer will be empty set, because there is not a single element which is in B which is not in A. So this is the answer. Now here I want to explain a little more. In our routine mathematics, if someone says to subtract 8 from 9, what we do, we write the answer which is present in 9, not in 8. This one is present in 9 in first number. In the same way, in the same logic, you can use the same logic in this question. All the elements which are in A set, not in B. Now we come to the second point, complement of a set. So complement of a set that consists of all the elements which are present in U but not in A. All the elements of U which are not in A. It looks similar as we have done before, but there is a little difference. I explained with the help of an example. Now let me write first an example. We have two sets U and A, and we will subtract A from U. So again we write first U set and minus A set as we have done before. First cancel all the similar elements. 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8. These are similar elements in both of these sets. So we will cancel it and write all the elements which are in U, not in A. So in U set, we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which are not in A set. So we will write here and this is the answer, U minus A. Now we will see what is the difference between difference of two sets and complement of two sets. When we say complement of a set A, then we write like this, U minus A, and it is denoted by A and a small slash on it. We can also put comma over A, capital letter A. So we will read it as A complement is equal to U minus A. If we are subtracting a set B from U, we will write B and the sign of complement, B complement. So we read it as B complement. Now if we are going to subtract any other set, for example X from U, we will write X complement. So here what we have done in this question, we have subtracted A from U, so we will write A complement. In this, the method is exactly as we have done in difference of two sets. Now we will solve some questions from the exercise so that you understand very well. Here is a question number 6 from exercise. We will find A minus B, then C minus D, then C complement, and then D complement. Now, first look at this question. U is the universal set, and you know that universal set is the one which contains all the elements under consideration. It means that now at present A, B, C, and D are the sets which are under consideration, and all of these sets or all the elements of these sets are present in universal set. So universal set is the larger set, and all the other sets A, B, C, D are the subsets of universal set. So we solve first part, A minus B. Now we will write A set then B set Cancel all the similar elements. 2 and 3 are similar. Now remaining elements of set A, because this is A set, this is B set, and all the remaining elements of A set make a set which is difference of A minus B. Or we can say A minus B is a set of all the elements of A which are not in B. Now we solve second part, which is C minus D. First we will write C set, which is 5, 6, 7 and 8 minus D. Now again, cancel similar elements. Now observe which are similar. 8, 6. Now it means that C minus D is a set which contains 5 and 7 only. We will never write elements of this second set. As I have told you, if we subtract 12 minus 8 and we write 4, it means that this 4 is present in 12, not in 8. So you can imagine set A, and for 8 you can say it is B, and the answer is 4. Now we solve third part. In third part, we will find C complement. So U minus C. First we will write U set, which is and minus C. We will cancel similar elements 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, and all the remaining elements will be the answer. So 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So C complement contains all the elements of U. So these elements are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we solve D complement. So we will write D complement is equal to U minus D. This was the third part. Now we are solving fourth part. So D complement is equal to U minus D. So again, first we will write U set minus D set. Now again cancel all the similar elements. 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the answer is 5, 6, 7, and 8. These are the elements which are in answer. So this is our answer. I think you have understood the difference between two sets. and complement of sets. What we have learned today, let us see. First of all, you have learned that difference of two sets means a set that consists of all the elements of set A which are not in set B. Now here we have subtracted B from A and we have written all the elements of A which are not in B. This was the difference. Then we learned complement of a set. Complement is also a difference of two sets, but we always subtract from universal set. We subtract any set from the universal set. So here I have done an example. U set contains all the natural numbers from 1 to 1 to 8, and A is a set which contains 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. We subtracted A from U and got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the elements of U which are not in A. So here you have learned that in complement of a set, we always subtract a set from universal set. If we subtract A, then we will write A complement. If we subtract B, we write B complement. And if we subtract X, we will write X complement. Now, the sign of complement is a small slash on the capital letter of English. Now, we then solve a question from the exercise. And we have done all of the questions from subtraction. For example, A minus B, C minus D, and then two questions for complement of set, C complement and D complement. I think that you have understood what I have taught today. So, the office. Thank you so much.
If you have interest in mathematics, then go to our other video lessons, see them, and then give your suggestions in comments so that we can improve our videos. And if you liked, then subscribe our channel, press bell icon, and then share with your friends on Facebook and WhatsApp. Thank you very much.